Hello everyone, I am Siddhi from James College PH department. So today I am talking about the topic stress, that what is stress. So what is stress? Stress is a part of being human. Any change that can cause physical, social, emotional or the psychological strain in a person is known as stress. So what are stress and why we all are facing stress nowadays? So what are the causes of stress is that when we are doing something, when we are doing some task or activities, we are facing a lot of pressure to complete it or to complete it more properly. And when we are doing something, we are worried about something. And the third one and the most important is the time management, that why we all are not managing our time properly. So what is time management? Time management is a way to find a task or to find the activities you want to need to do. It can help to decide your time, or it can help to decide your task or activities which are important and which can be wait. So learning how to manage your activities or commitments can be hard, but doing so it make your life easier, less stressful and the more meaningful. So when you manage your time, you decided task or activities you want to do or which are important to you. So knowing what's important to you, it makes a best to spend the time on it, or to best spend a time on that activities that you are feeling that you are more important to that activities. So there are three ways to manage the time. The first one is the periodic task, that which tasks are more important and which tasks can be do it firstly. The second one is the control procrastination, and the third one is the make commitments. So make a list of your task, activities or the commitments for the day or a week, and then rate these activities according to which we are important and which can be done firstly, so that you can manage your time and manage your activities. So, and thank you, have a nice day.